Today's topic is sort a array using heap sort algorithm. This is my array, and we sort this array using heap sort algorithm. This is the main function. Array size, we declare array size 45. N and I is integer type variables. Enter the number who want in the blocks. We enter the value of 4 here. Here 4 blocks are created, and I is 0. The value of I is 0, 1, 2, 3. And enter the ith blocks. Enter the number ith blocks. We enter the number in these blocks: 7, 5, 9, 10. 10. 7 is inserted in first blocks, and 5 is inserted in 9 blocks. Second block, sorry. 9 is inserted in second blocks, and 10 is inserted in third blocks. Then 7 is inserted in 0 blocks, and 5 inserted in 1 blocks, and 9 is inserted in 2 blocks, and 10 inserted in 3 blocks. Then after inserting the values, we call the heap sort function. This is a heap sort function. The value of array is, this is array, and this is array is called this, and the value of num is, where n value is 4, and is n insert in num. The value of num is 4. Num value is 4, and we use this here for loop, and num value is 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. The value of j is 1, and j greater than and equal to 0 condition is true. Then we call the happify array. This is a happify function. It's thus c the value of n. Here the value of n, the value of num is 4. Here n value is 4 is insert 4 is insert 4 is insert in n, and here c, the value of c is the value of j is 1. Here the value of c is 1, and max value, max equal to c. The 1 value is inserted in max, and 2 into c, 2 into 1 plus 1 is 3. The left value is 3, and right 2 into 1 is 2, and plus 2 is 4. Here is 4. Here let's see. Left max, max point the first blocks, max point the first blocks, and left point the third blocks. Left point the Third blocks, left left less than n. The value of left is 1, left value is 3, n value is 4. Condition is true. The left greater max. Condition is false. Left is not greater. Sorry, left value is 10 and max value is 5. Left value is greater than 5. Condition is true. Then max equal to left means the value of max is 3 here. Yes, the value of max is 3 and the max is point the left part and the c value is 1. C point the this and right less than n. The values the condition is false. The value of n is 4. Here is C. Let's check. Right less than n. Condition is false. Then execute this. Right less than n. The value of n is 4 and the value of right is 4. Condition is false. Then execute if parts. Max not equal to C. Max not equal to C. Condition is true. Then swap value C and max. The value of C. Swap the value C and max. C value is and max value. Here the value is swap. The 5 is here and 10 is here and 5 is here. The value is 2 value is swap. Now this is function is terminate. The value of the control is sort function, heap sort function. The value of j is 1 and the value of j is decrement. Now value of j is 0. The value of j is 0. We call the happify function. This is a happify function. We call this function. The value of n value is equal to num. Here the num value is 4. Here the num value is 4 and the 4 value is insert in n and j value is 0. Now j value is 0 and c value is 0 because c value is insert in here. C value is 0. The max value is 0 because c value is 0 and it is removed and here max value is 0 and left value is 2 into 0 1 means left is point the 1. Left point the this blocks and max point the 0 blocks. Max point the this blocks and c point the this blocks and right 2 into 0 plus 2. Right point the right value is 2. The value of right is 2. Right is point the second block. right point the this blocks, and left less than n, the value of n is 4, condition is true. Then array left is greater than array max, array left is greater than array max, condition is true. Then max value equal to left means the value of left is insert in max, the value of max is 0, the value of left is 1, 1 is insert in max, means max point the this node. And now right less than n, the right value is 2, n value is 4, condition is true. Then right greater than array max, this is array max is 10, is condition false, this is condition false. And this loop is this condition is execute, max not equal to c, the condition is true, the value and max is not equal, the value of c and max is not equal. Then swap the value c and max, b swap the value c and max, this is value c and this is value is max, this value is inside here and this is here, the value is swapped. Let's see, this subarray is sorted and the condition is true and execute. We call the happify function, the value of array is this is array and n value is 4, the value of n is 4 and max value is 1. Here n value is 4 and the value is max is insert in c, the value of max, this value max is insert in c, the max value is 1, 1 is insert in c, the value of c is 1. And the value of left 1 in 2 into 1 3, left point the 3 and right point the this, not here 4, right here, right remove here, left less than and condition is true. Then array left is greater than array max, array left is 5 and greater than max, condition is false. Then this loop is terminated and execute this loop, right value is less than and condition is false, the value of right is 4, the right value is 4 because here see 1 into 2 2 into plus 2 4, condition is false. Then max not equal to c, max not equal to c, sorry, value of c is 0 because max value is c, the value of max is 0 and the value of c is 0 because here c, we call the max value is 0 and then c value is 0, this c value is 0 and c point the this and c, max not equal to c, max not equal to c, condition is false. Then loop is terminated, while loop is terminated and the value of the this, the value of j is 0, the value of j is 0 and now in decrement in j minus 1, the value of is minus 1, minus 1 is greater than equal to 0, condition is false. Then then loop is terminated and the execute this part, the value of k is num minus 1, the value of num is 4, here is 4, the value of k is 3, the value of k is 3, and 3 is greater than or equal to 0 condition is true. The array 0 and k is swapped. This is 0 and k value is 3, and this 3 is this array is swapped with each other, and 10 10 is removed here, and 5 is removed here, and 5 is insert here, and 10 10 is insert here. The value is swapped, and after swapping happy5 we call the happy5 function. Happy5 function, the value of k is 3 and the value of n is 3. Here the value of k is insert here. This is removed. Here value of n is 3 and the value of c is 0. Here the value of c is 0. 0 is insert here c. The value of c is 0. The value of max is 0. Max is value 0. So max point the this, and left 2 into 0. 2 into 0 plus 1. The value of left is 1. The value of c is, this is left, and the c value is 0, and 2 into 1, 2 into 0 plus 2. The value of right is 0. Right value is 2. The value of right is 2. 2 into 0 plus 2 equal to 2. The value of right is 2. Then right point the this block, and see left is left is less than n. Left value is 1 and n value is 3. Condition is true. Then left is greater than max. Left is greater than max. Condition is true. Then left is insert in max. The value of left is 1. 1 value is insert in max, means max point the this, and after, and right less than n. The right value is 2, n value is 3. Condition is true. The right max array, right greater than array max. Array max is 7. Right is 9. Condition is true. Then max is point the this block, and right equal to max equal to right, means the value of right is 2 and value of max is insert 2. The 2 values insert in max. The max is point here, and max not equal to c. Max not equal to c. Condition is true. Then swap value c and max. The value of swap c and max. The value of 5, 9 is 5. This value is swap, and we call the happy5 function. The value of array is this. This is array, and the value of n is 3, and max value is 2. Then array is this, and n value is 3, and max value is 2. The value of c is 2. Then this is removed, and c value is 2, and left into 2 into 2, 4 plus 5. The value of left is 5. The value of left is 5, and right value is 2 into 2, 4 is 6. The right value is 6. Check the condition while left less than n. The left value is 5. The value of n is 3. Condition is false. Then right less than n. The right value is 6 and n value is 3. Condition is false. Then max not equal to c. The max value is 3, because the value of c is 3 and max value is 3. Max and not equal to c. The value of max is 3. Sorry, max value is 2, because c value is 2. The c value is 2 and max value is 2. Then max not equal to c. Condition is false. Then loop is terminated. Then control here. The k value is 3. Now k decrement. Now k value is 2. And k value is 2. The k value is 2 and 0. We call the happify function. That this is array and n value is 2. Here the n value is insert here 2. I change the color and remove this value. We remove this all values. And here see array this, and array is insert and k value is 2. The 2 is insert n. To insert in n, c. The value of 0. 0 is insert in c. The value of 0 is here. And max value is 0, because c and max value is equal. And left now see this line. I missed this line, that because the k value is decrement, the value of k is decrement, the swap value, the value of swap 0 and 2. 0 is 9 and 2 is 5. There, this value is swap, because we call the swap, and it is 9, it is 5 swap here, and 9 is swap here. And b is the value of left is 0 into plus 1, 1. The value of left is 1, and the value of right is 2. The left value is 1 and right value is 2. Condition is, check the condition. Left less than n. Condition is true. Then left value is 1 and n value is 2. Condition is true. Left greater than array max. Left is greater than array max value is 0. Now point this value. Max value is point here, and c value is 0. And c value is 0 and left value is 1 and right value is 2. Right value is 2. Right point this and check condition. Left less than n. left value is 1 and n value is 2, condition is true, then array left is greater than array max. Array left is 7 and array max is 5. Its condition is true, then max equal to left. The value of left is 1. 1 is inserted in max. The value of max is 1. Max right less than n. Right value is 2. Value of n is 2. Condition is false. Then max not equal to c. Max value is 1 and c value is 0. Condition is true. The swap value c and max. The c this and max this 7. The value is this swap 5 and 7. 5. The value is swap, and now the value of n is 2 and max value is 1. This here max value is 1. Let's check the we call the happify function. Happify function is the value of n is 2 and c value is max value is 1. 1 value is inserted in c. Now value of c is 1. And check the condition. The value of left is 2 into 1, 3. The value of left is 3. And the value of right is 4. And check the condition. Left less than n. Left value is 3 and n value is 2. Condition is false. Left now check this. Right less than n. Right value is 4. The n value is 2. Condition is false. Then max not equal to c. Max value is 1 and c value is 1. Condition is false. Then loop is terminated, and now we here the value of k. The value of k is decrement. Now the value of k is decrement. The value of k is 1. And array swap. We call the swap array. The now the value of 0 this and 1 k is 1 k is 1 1 is 5. Then 7 and 5 swap with each other. 7 and 5 and 7. The value is swap, and we remove this all. The array, this is array, and the value of k is 1. The value of n is 1. Now the value of n is value is n value is 1 and c value is 0. The value of c is 0, and here 0 is 0. 0 is inserted in c. K value is inserted in n, and c equal to max equal to c means the value of 0 is inserted in max. That this is value 0, this is value 0 and insert in max. Understand? The value of left is 2. First the value of left is 2 and the value of right is 2 into 2 4. Check condition. Left less than n. The value of left is 2. Value is n 1. Condition is false. Then check this condition. Right less than n. The right value is 4 and n value is 1. Condition is false. Max not equal to C. Max value is 0 and C value is 0. Condition is false. Then loop is terminated. And now the value of J is decrement. Now J value is 0 and this is remove and array 0 and K value is 0. This is 0 and K value is 0 and it's the value of 0 is 5 and the value of K is 5. Then they are swapped and the K value is 0. K value is 0 and K value is uncertain and the value of N is 0 and the value of C is 0 because the value of 0 is uncertain. C max equal to C means the value of 0 is uncertain max. Left value is 1 and right value is 2 because right 2 into 0 plus 2 the value of is 2. Let's check the condition. Left less than N, left value is 1, N value is 0, condition is false. Right less than N, right value is 2, condition the N value is 0, condition is false. Then max is not equal to C, the max value is 0 and C value is 0, condition is false. Then loop is terminated. Then the value of K is decrement. Here the value of K is decrement, the value of K is -1. -1 is greater than equal to 0, condition is false. Then loop is terminated. Then loop is terminated because we here after the heap sort function is called. After call the heap sort function is called and we enter the we print the sorted array. This is sorted 5 7 9 10. Let's we enter the value here. This is my starting array. We enter the value of N is 4, the value of 7 5 9 and 10. The sorted array is 5 7 9 5 7 9 10 and we execute this program again. We enter the 8 values 9 5 3 2 8 6 11 13. Now the array is sorted 1 2 5 6 8 9 and 11 and 13. The array is sorted. Thank you so much.